Hello, how to remove formula without copy paste in Excel. So let's start with my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. In this data, in total price column have a formula. Just click on the cell and you can check here in formula bar showing the formula. And when you press the F2, you can check here the formula selection also. Okay. So to remove this formula, simply select the entire column. So I select here the entire column and press the Ctrl C and then go to the Home tab. In Clipboard Group, click on the Paste option. And in Paste Value, click on the first option, the value, and that's it. Your formula is removed. Now you can see when I click on the cell in formula bar, the formula is not showing. In app 2, the formula is not showing. Okay, so this is the way you can easily remove formula without copy paste in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.